Hello and welcome to this video. We will take you through a step-by-step process of how to download the Yonna Wallet app. So stay tuned and let's get started. Open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Yonna Wallet app. Tap on Install. Tap on Open once the download is completed. You have successfully downloaded the Yonna Wallet app. Thanks for watching this video. Join us on our next video on how to create an account on your Yonna Wallet app.
Good afternoon to the Fast Network family. You're watching us live from our studios here in Bijilo. And today we have special guests in our studios, people from the Yonna Microfinance Bureau here with us today to talk about Yonna in general. We all know wherever you go in the country, you see the Yonna Forex bureaus all across the country. So they're here today to tell us more about what they do and the services that they offer as well. First, I would like to introduce the people in the panel today. I'm starting from my far left.
Thank you very much. My name is Baba from Yonna Group, representing the Islamic Insurance Department.
Thank you very much, and you're welcome to the Fast Network.
Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Lamin Eskamara, also from Yonna Group. I'm representing Yonna Islamic Microfinance.
I think I didn't do justice. It should have been ladies first.
Ladies first.
My apologies, ladies. Starting from you again.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let's say good morning. All right, I am Sukai Cham. I'm representing the Yonna Wallet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Glad to have you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Fatou Cham, representing the Yonna Forex Bureau and the Yonna Enterprise.
All right. Thank you very much for having to join us in our studios to talk about what you guys offer. First of all, I know the people would like to know when was Yonna established in the Gambia and why, and of course the services that they offer as well. I'll start with the gentleman. I'll start with Fatou instead to tell us more about Yonna, when it was established, why, and the services that you guys offer.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jacqueline. I think it will be important for Gambians to understand exactly why Yonna and the existence of Yonna Foreign Exchange Bureau Limited and how we existed in the Gambia, talk less of coming to be a group in the Gambia as well. Yonna Forex Bureau, Yonna in general is a household name. Far in Sierra, where the CEO is from, in Sierra, we have this household name called Yonna there. And Yonna Forex Bureau, we are in existence since 2008. Okay. Yes, 2008 to date. Yonna Foreign Exchange Bureau, that's where we have the Yonna Enterprise. We have the Yonna Forex Bureau Limited. We are licensed by the Central Bank of the Gambia, whereby we can do these money transactions like Foreign Exchange Bureau money transaction, like if you want to send money or you want to receive money under this platform. We were licensed by the Central Bank of the Gambia. And then also the Yonna Enterprise, also we deal with the foodstuffs, whereby we import this rice and oil, sugar, and canned drinks, many other foodstuffs that we deal with. Then from there we migrate to the Yonna Islamic Microfinance, where we came to the banking system, where people can have access to open account, to do financial transactions, and also to do business with the Islamic microfinance, because we have, but into details, we will have each and every individual to talk to you about the areas that we are representing. But Yonna Foreign Exchange Bureau, we are in existence since 2008 in the Gambia.
Well, if you didn't mention,
and we have like 150 locations across the country.
Wow.
Yeah.
If you didn't mention, I wouldn't know that it is Gambian owned. You said the CEO is from Sierra.
Sierra,
That's
and
very
it's a
well.
Gambian,
That's
and it's a
very good to
household
see.
name, Yonna, yes.
It's very good to see Gambian people who stepping up to own businesses in the country and also employ the youths in the country. We'll start with the gentleman over there to talk about what services you offer when it comes to the Islamic microfinance. Yes.
Okay. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa sallam. Ms. Jacqueline, like question rightly said, I am representing Yonna Islamic Microfinance. Yonna Islamic Microfinance started operations 7 June 2021. In the Gambia, like Fatyam said, it is the third company under Yonna Group that started operation. And we are given a license by Central Bank to be able to take deposits from our clients and also to give out financing. In other words, it's called loans to other people, that is other clients. That is the function. We function like exactly like banks, but we are a microfinance. So what microfinance do they deal with low income earners, people who want to open an account or save their money, or they want loan or facilities, but they do not have certain requirements that banks would ask for. Okay? So that this one of the main difference between the banks and microfinance. So if you want to open an account with bank, for instance, some of them will tell you, okay, you have to start with, let's say, $500 or $5,000, $3,000. Okay? So, but some people over there, they do not have even $1,000 to start account with. So that means those people are excluded from banking system. So microfinance came in to cater for those people. And also people who want to take loan or facility, normally bank will ask you to have a collateral, that's a landed property, okay? So but if people who do not have their own compound, who find it very difficult to even have food on their table, wouldn't be able to take money from the bank or loan from the banks. So microfinance comes in to cater for those people as well. So this is the function of microfinance. So but we came in as Islamic microfinance, is to provide this microfinance service, but provide it in a way that accepted by the Islam, okay? And what is the difference? Inshallah, we'll talk about it as we are delve deeper into the program. So microfinance, what we do, we take deposits from the clients. That's anyone who wants to save money. You can come to Yonna Islamic Microfinance. We will open an account for you. And we open different types of account. We call classes of account. We have what we call current account. We have savings account. We have investment account. So current account, how it works is this. In order to call it checking accounts or transactional accounts, is the account that you open to keep your money for a short period of time. That means even a day or less than a day or 2 days. Anytime you need it, you go take it. You are only asking the bank to keep your money for you. Anytime you need it, you go there and you can access it. So for other banks, what they will do is they will charge you a service fee for this because they are keeping your money for you. And they are also incurring costs in trying to keep your money for you. So they will charge you a service fee. That's the function of, those are the characteristics or features of a current account. Okay, and we have this as well. So we have savings account. These are accounts meant for keeping money. So, but there we have difference between conventional and Islamic banks. Normally savings is for investment. When you open savings account, you are telling bank to use your money and they give you a profit or return or interest on that. So it's a kind of an investment. So with us in Islamic microfinance, when you have a savings account, the contract we have is called Mudaraba. You are telling us, you're an Islamic microfinance, I'm giving you my money, keep it for me and use it in any profitable investment, of course, acceptable by Islam, and any profit that we realize, we can share it. So it is no problem. You're going to use your money, and when we invest it in any Sharia compliant way, okay, any profit realized, you have a percentage of it as your return, and also other percentage remains with us as our income. Okay, that is a savings account. We also have investment account. So investment account is also just like a savings account, but there is difference. Investment account is in a way that you have, let's say, $25,000 and above. You want to keep it for a period of time that you don't need it. Let's say I have $100,000. Okay, I don't need it for next 6 months. You bring it to us at Yonna Islamic Finance. You want us to invest that money for you. So the agreement is going to be in a form of partnership. We'll invest it for you. So for 6 months, any profit that we realize, again, we're going to share it as we share the savings account. But here, in this for savings account or for investment account, you're going to get 60% of the profit. You're going to get the 40% of the profit. Or like savings. Savings, we're going to get the 60, and you get the 40%. So these are the products that we offer when it comes to savings products. We also have on the contract, we have business accounts, we have salary account, we also have corporate accounts. If you are working in the network here, you work in and you want to take your staff wants to take their salary through your Islamic Finance, they can come to us, or we come here, we open account every one of you individually. When you are to be paid, your proprietor or the admin will now put the money into your individual accounts at the Yonna Islamic Finance. There you can access it anytime you want. So we call it salary account. So other banks also offer this and other Islamic other microfinance in the Gambia, but they will charge you a service fee. Some are charging $300, some 150, some the minimum, of course, apart from Yonna, charging at least 57 but Yonna Islamic Microfinance, they are charging only $25. Okay, so if you're taking your salary to Yonna Islamic Microfinance, you are paying them a service fee of only $25. Okay, so this account is just of a salary transactions. You are only paid a salary through your salary account. But along with that, you can open a savings account. That means when the salary comes in, take what you want to take, amount you want to save, you put it into your savings account. Because savings account will get you an income. Because remember, the contract is a partnership. We use your money, we invest it, any profit that we have, we share it. So these are the profit side. But again, how do we make profit on your savings money, your savings account, and your investment accounts? We have to give this money to somebody else who is going to use it in a business venture, who is going to use it in something productive, who is going to use it in something that will generate more than what is given to the person. So in other conventions, we call it about loan, but we call it finance in Islamic sector, in Islamic finance sector. So let's say somebody wants to build, let's say a structure, let's say a store. You have a compound in a very strategic location, okay? But you don't have money to build stores there. But it is certain that when you build stores in those locations, you're going to be renting out to people, and you'll be having a rental income. But you don't have money. You come to Yonna. We will finance you. We don't give you physical cash for you to build a store. We go build the store ourselves. Of course, we have different products. So when this store is built, it's built on your land. The land belongs to you, but the store is built by your finance. It is owned by us. Now we take that store to you, it becomes yours. And now you rent it out to people. Money is coming in, you pay our money gradually, and at the end of the day, the building belongs to you, and any income generated from that one goes back to you. You understand that?
Yeah.
Or you want a material, you don't have money, probably you have a shop somewhere in Serekunda, you want to restock it. You don't have money to do that. Yonna, we'll finance to restock your store, or your shop. You sell this, bring back our money, our profit, and you have a good business. So these are the avenues where we invest your money that you save with us. And the profit realized there, we share it, you get part, we also get part. Okay, so these are the functions of Yonna Islamic Microfinance. They're more, but like I said, as we are getting deeper into the program, we'll get understand how each one of these things work.
Most definitely. Now, also, if time permits us, to each and every one of you to speak to the people in the different local languages, so they understand what you really are up to. But before we move to the next person, what will qualify me to open any account at Yonna? What do I need also in terms of papers? What do I need in order to open an account with you people?
Okay, so this is important. Like you said, we're talking to people. If anyone wants to open an account with Yonna Islamic Microfinance, there are documentary requirements. Okay, one, you need to provide us with national documentation, identification document, either passport, ID card, driver's license, or voter's card. If you have any of these documents, would suffice.
Is it limited to Gambians?
No, it's limited to non-Gambians. So non-Gambians, you have what? Residential permit, or your country's passport. Okay. If you are non-Gambian, your country's passport will do, or your Gambia residential permit will also do. Okay. So we will also need your TIN number. Okay. If you don't have TIN number, you come to us. We assist you to get the TIN number. The third one we need is the passport size picture. This is very essential because that is what we attach to your form to identify your form from other forms. And also, the same picture is put in the system so that anytime you come to withdraw or transact in your account, we use it for verification purpose. Okay? So these are the documents actually that we need to open an account with Yonna Islamic Microfinance, any type.
Yeah. That's very well noted. We'll move to you. Tell us more about Yonna and the insurance service that you offer.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for having us today. As my colleagues rightly said, this insurance was introduced sometime last year. It was introduced as a result of creating employment for the youth in the Gambia. Because as you can see, Yonna is not only focusing on ourselves, but it's for the whole Gambia at large. So having these different areas of business sectors, they decided to venture into insurance. Having this insurance model It gives them the mind. Okay, what are we going to invest on? What type of insurance are we going to invest on? Because as we know in the Gambia, we have various types of insurance that operates in the industry. You have the conventional insurance that dominates the insurance market. But since Yonna is Gambian-owned business enterprise, okay, they say, okay, why not we go with the Islamic concept of insurance? So this Islamic concept of insurance will give the Gambians more opportunity to see that they own this company themselves, not only Yonna. When Yonna don't own it, the Islamic concept of insurance is not owned by Yonna, or it's not owned by the takaful operator. So I should introduce the concept of Islamic insurance by using the name takaful. The takaful concept means joint guarantee. Who here comes to jointly guarantee one another is the participants, the people bringing business to the industry or to the company. They come together, jointly guarantee, mutual cooperation, to see that if someone suffers loss in future, then the money contributed in that fund will be used to pay for the loss incurred by the participant, one of the participants. So this being the case brings Yonna to the idea of, okay, why not we venture into insurance and come with the Islamic concept? Do you understand? So you see that there are thin lines between the concept of conventional insurance and Islamic way of doing insurance. And some people will ask, what's the difference? Of course, there are differences because if you see the concept of conventional insurance, it's regulated by government laws, okay? It's monitored and, supervised by government laws, whereby, the person going to buy insurance at the insurance called the proposer will go to buy insurance being called the insured because you go and buy and sell. The conventional way of insurance is basically on the risk of trading. You understand? It's the risk of trading because as long as there is a concept of buying and selling, that's trading. Okay? But when you look at the concept of takaful, it's mutual cooperation between those bringing business in the company. And those people bringing business owns the business. Okay, and that means that there is always certainty of the outcome at the end of the year if you don't suffer losses, meaning you will participate in part of the money that was invested. All right, that's why only in takaful concept of insurance that you will have profit sharing. Okay, because your money is being invested at the end of the year that you don't suffer a loss and the company realizes surplus or being called profit, you participate in the profit given. And then along the way, there is what we call the zakat. It's been calculated in percentage of the money generated as profit and give to the needy. You see, this concept embodied whatever people need to live as a society, as one person, to shoulder one another. That's why this concept of takaful brings in the way of difference with the conventional insurance concept. So Yonna decided to come with this concept to make sure we create employment for the youth. Let me tell you one thing, they don't only limit themselves in employing Muslims. It's for Gambians, being Muslim, Christians, whatever you call yourself, as long as you meet the requirement for employment, you bring, and your employment is being verified, when you pass the test to be employed, you will be employed. Okay? So even let's say, for those bringing business, we don't only accept business for say, okay, he's a Muslim, so we have to accept business from. No, it's general business at large. No matter what religion you belong to, or whoever you are, whatever you want to do as you want to bring business, Yonna will welcome you in the Islamic way of doing insurance. I know we'll dwell more in this as we move forward, and I will allow my colleagues to, at least to come in.
Move to them, I would like to know what the insurance scheme offers to Gambians. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much. The insurance scheme offers the same products that other conventional insurance covers. Their difference is way of doing the business, okay? The operational aspect of the conventional and the takaful concept. Because if you see the conventional way of doing insurance, you only, the account or the business is owned by the shareholders. But in takaful, or the Islamic way of doing insurance, the business is owned by the participants. I can detail this out for you. Because when a participant come and participate in the pool by paying contribution, remember I said earlier, it's not based on buying and selling. It's not a trading aspect of doing business. It's a business of doing mutual agreement, coming together to participate in one pool, just like the wall of say, susu la susu. You know, boka, ki tekli, you know, when something happen, you just see, affair, sort it in the problem. So this is how it works. Okay? So this way of doing business, takaful concept or Islamic concept do the same products as others. But the main important aspect of the difference that we need to dwell with here now, their investment aspect of business. The Sharia compliance businesses don't invest on anything that is not Sharia compliance. You don't invest in something that is generating, interest on you. Non-interest investments, purely non-invest, because it's strictly regulated and bound by the Sharia laws. Okay, so it's different from the conventional where you can invest in any aspect of you. And even in the takaful concept, the participants have the right to know where their money is invested because they own the company. The premium that they pay or the contribution that they paid, the takaful operator, those working in the takaful office are called the takaful operators. They charge them what is called the wakala fee. It's 30% from the money that they pay as contribution, or 35% depending on the institution that you work with. Some we charge 35% of it. It's just like an agency fee. And this 35% they're charging goes to the shareholders fund, the shareholders account. So the 65% goes to the participants account. So if the participants own 65% and the shareholders own 35%, then who owns the company? The participant owns the company, of course. Okay. So that's why they have all rights to know where the money is invested. You understand? So these are the difference between the conventional and the takaful concept. Because there are a lot of other differences, but just to select a few, I come up with these two concepts. And then at the end of the year, when you put a business with takaful or the Islamic way of insurance, after the end of the year, the accountants are checked and you don't suffer loss within that period under consideration. Within that period under consideration. And I repeat, some will think that as long as you have your business and then there is profit, you're entitled to. But if you suffer loss and your claim is paid, at that particular year under consideration, you are not entitled to have a profit. The reason is you are paid from the fund. And those who are not paid from the fund, that money that realizes surplus are those who should benefit from that fund because you're already paid out of it. So these are some of these differences. But as for product-wise, we offer the same products. We offer the same discounts. We have a similar reinsurance backup. In the Islamic concept, we call it retakaful backup. But in the conventional, we say reinsurance backup. But the accountings are different, as I tell you earlier. If we move further, I will explain a lot. Thank you.
Okay, so man dama bëgg yow sa boss nga wax ko ci olof su ko defee askan ñoo seetaan ñu mëna xam bu baax ci ban banxaas ngay féetoo. Forex Bureau. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you very much. Exactly. Foog naa Forex Bureau bi suñ products and services yi mooy nekk comme ça like dañ dee def money transaction comme dañ dee mën a change foreign currency any type of foreign currency boo xamante ne yaa ngi ko amee suñ branches yi dañ la dee mën a wéccel foreign currency bi su fekkee ne tamit yaa ngi am xaalis boo xamante ne dañ la ko yónnee bitim réew di nga ko mën a jël suñ banxaas boo xamante ne rek jege na la si biir Gambia bi fii nii te ñu ngi amee suñ own product boo xamante ne moo nekk sayang bi comme suñ local transfer service la boo xamante ne su fekkee yaa ngi si Gambia bi fii nii mun ngaa jël xaalis su fekkee nit ki mu ngi bee koy na mun nga koo yónnee xaalis te dina mun a jël xaalis bi ba pare dañ dee mun a def bank deposits tamit comme ça like yow yaa ngi am account yaa ngi bëgg a def transaction pour mu dem sa bank account bi loolu yëpp forex bureau def ko dee mun a def te bill payment si tamit loolu yëpp ñu ngi si service boo xamante ne foreign exchange bureau bi daf ko dee offer so yi ñoo nekk products and services yoo xamante ne forex bureau bi daf ko dee offer so soo demee comme ça like ñu nekk si diaspora the entire Europe any platform boo xamante ne yow use nga ko rek di nga mun a jël sa xaalis bi through Yonna Foreign Exchange Bureau Limited waaw.
ñu tàmbalee si fàttali ma tur bi. Sukay balal ma rek suma xel bi moom neexut bu baax. ok yow yaa ngi toll si banxaas yi Yonna wallet bi mun ngaa wax nit ñi what's all about the Yonna wallet.
All right, jërëjëf Jacqueline. Hope I have it right.
No, you're fine.
All right, lifin bi wallet bi like comme nu ko suma collègue yi waxee Yonna moom groupe la boo xam ne ñu ngi yëngu si banxaas yu bari so ñun fu ñu nekk ni right now comme si wallet moo nekk comme fifth business boo xam ne Yonna yëngu nañ si muy Yonna wallet bi parce que xam nga ne jamono ji fu mu toll ni like comme lu tubaab di wax ne the world is evolving like ñu ngi evolve to another level so moo tax Yonna ñu toog ñu xool ñu ne why not ñu ñëw ak wallet bi because wallet bi dafa nekk loo xam ne comme calpe boo xam ne da nga ko am with the help of your mobile phone so it's a digital wallet loo xam ne di nga ko mën a use nga def sa transactions using like not using the physical cash comme yow di nga toog nga mën a am wallet bi as far as yaa ngi am mobile boo xam ne dina mën a support wallet bi mun nga am Android phone mun nga am iPhone yooyu yëpp daf koo support su dee am nga sa iPhone mun ngaa dem ci sa app store bi then nga download sa wallet bi then from there nga create sa account su fekkee ne yow first time user ka su dee yow am nga sa account already you don't have to dem si create user bi da ngaa dem straight si login account bi login pad bi again su fekkee ne Android nga use tamit da ngaa dem sa Play Store then nga download wallet bi then nga def sa necessary comme document lifin si details yoo war a def then nga am sa account bi so wallet bi lu ko tax a jóg daal mooy comme make sure ni nit ñi gis seen bopp si digital world bi because world baa ngi evolve bu njëkka danga daan gis nit di gaadu xaalis di dem ak moom comme ñu mun laa sàcca wala mu réer wala nga am yaaxu-yaaxale but as far as yow yaa ngi am sa wallet loolu yëpp daf ko wàññi wala loolu yëpp du mën a am because yow wallet bi kenn du xam lu nga am si xaalis nu mu toolu because mun nga am sa million denc ko sa digital wallet bi kenn du xam ne yow lii nga am wala léeg la moo lifin te Yonna wallet bokk na si wallet boo xam ne comme like dafa ñëw pour dimbale askan bi koo xoolee suñ fii bi comme looy fay only sooy def sending ngay fay sooy def wala transaction comme withdrawals comme di def deposit wala nga def yeneen comme jënd cash boo sa free la yooyu yëpp free la and tout suñ charges bi 0.5 loo xam ne soo xoolee comme yeneen suñ ñu ñoo jonganteel bokk nañ suñu gën a néewle su fekkee gën a ñoo néewle sax bokk nañ suñu gën a néewle because dañ jóg pour dimbale askan bi comme ni ko suma gars yi waxee rek Yonna moom ñëpp la fi nekkal and it's not only comme ñu fa nekk di liggéey wala ku ko moom ñëpp a si bokka as far as yaa ngi Gambia danga dee gis sa bopp si Yonna groupe bi kon ñun ñu askan bi moo ñu tax a jóg so yeah and security aspect bi tamit comme soo ko xoolee dafa secure torop because ñun bépp since buñ starté di operate ñu ngi start operation in August 2023 c'est leen start di operate si wallet bi so pour ñu gis comme ni ko xam ne daf dee am jafe-jafe si wallet bi let's say comme ñu ngi ma scam wala ñu ngi ma request pour ma send leen code loolu yëpp musuñ ko jànkuwante because yu wax ne dafa pare soog a jóg ñun dañ pare because security boo ñu tax a jóg so nga nit ki su la óoloo ba mu la dénk xaalis da nga war a make sure ne óolute boobu noonu bu mu fa jógee so ñu moo tax dañ pare soog a jóg dugga si biir marché bi so security kay su fekkee ne askan bi ñu ngi ragal loolu nañ ñëw Yonna because Yonna moom suñ fa ñëwee security moom dañ ko am 100%.
But yaa ngi doon wax affaire yi fii bi ni 0.5%. 0.5%.
Yes.
It does not matter the amount you're sending.
Yeah, 0.5% means like any amount you send, 0.5% of that. And it is only like charges you fees when you're doing sending. And the sending is 3 categories. You can send to from your wallet to the bank. That is, if you have money in your wallet and you want to move it to the bank, any of the banks in the Gambia, you can do it. You just sit it at your comfort zone, You will not do any hustle or struggle or do join any queue. You just sit in your comfort zone and send the money from your wallet to any of the banks in the Gambia. And again, if you want to change digital money to cash, let's say you are able to send halis from sa wallet to a cash, pour nga mën ko receive wala nga send ko xamné amut wallet at all. So bobu tamit dañ ko mëna def wala nga mëna bëgga send from wallet to wallet, because fekk yow am nga wallet man am na wallet and you need the money ci sa wallet bi. I just have to send it to your wallet. Yeah, those are the 3 sendings that we do. Yeah.
Okay.
yaa ngi amee fonds ci sa wallet bi di nga mën a send like Sénégal di nga mën a send Mali di nga mën a send Guinée Conakry di nga mën a send Nigeria, so wallet bi yëpp di nga mën a def loolu noonu la fekk yow move loo waaye da ngaa make sure ne at that point in time yaa ngi am xaalis ci sa biir wallet bi. So naka nga amee xaalis ci sa wallet bi benn di nga mën a dem any banque boo xamante ne Yonna mu ngi fa ñu defal la deposit bi ci sa wallet bi. ñaareel bi moo nekk ne su fekkee ne comme ça like yow yaa ngi banque ak Yonna Islamic Microfinance di nga mën a link sa wallet bi ak sa Yonna Islamic Microfinance account bi, so da ngaa gis ne di nga mën a move fond jege ko ci sa microfinance account bi mu ñëw ci sa wallet bi den nga def sa transaction yi comme daal maanaam dafa nekk ne yaa ngi def transaction waaye move loo demuloo benn place, yaa ngi toog sa office, yaa ngi sa jaayeekaay, yaa ngi sa bureau, foo munti di toog rek yow di nga mën a def sa transaction fekk yow move loo. So lii yëpp ñu ngi ko am ci biir wallet bi pour dimbale Gambian si nga xam ne doo struggle doo move comme nga mën a def sa transaction sa financial transaction daal, so wallet bi tam loolu di nga ko ci mën a def.
loolu moom neex na. neex na dégg
waxee rek comme di nga mën a send but xam nga comme like soo xoolee comme other competitors like danga dee mën a dem nga ñu senal la but Yonna moom as far as comme ni ko waxee am nga xaalis sa account bi rek you can do sending.
Yeah,
so
loolu laa bëggoon a
yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, yaa ko defaral sa booba.
With your wallet, wow.
Nice. Loolu moom neex na
And so withdrawal bi like it doesn't mean ne dangaa dem ci agent bi danga koo jox sa mobile bi mu withdrawal la déedéet. yow day suppose on yow yaay withdraw ba pare nga jox ko sa code bi. because moo tax mu ne la di security part bi dafa important. because lu nekk ci sa account bi ci sa wallet bi yow rek yaa ko war a am. so man waruma withdraw may jox nit suma phone ma ne defaral ma withdrawal. nga lu fa nekk gis na ko ba pare. so lii suma xaalis la maa ko denc ci suma biir mobile bi léegi lu ma bëgg a génne damaa jël rek ma withdraw ma jox la code bi yow nga fay ma amount boobu laa soxla for that time.
Okay.
Wow.
So I'll just use my phone. Maybe there is a portion where it
wow.
says withdrawal.
Wow.
Ma withdraw the amount I want.
Code dafa
Then
génn.
yéen da ngeen ma send code.
Code waaw.
Code boobu laay jox.
dangaa gis
agent bi.
code bi sax balaa nga bi ko def la procédure la.
Okay.
soo laalee withdrawal rek daf laa laajte ñaata amount la. nga enter sa amount daf laa laajte waat sa password bi baat.
Okay.
nga xam nga soo xamutee password boobu doo mun a withdraw xaalis si wallet jàmbur.
That's very
su
secure.
fekkee dugal na waaye yow mënuloo génnee xaalis bi ko xamuloo password bi.
Okay.
léegi daf laa laajte sa password bi soo ko dugalee rek dangaa gis mu ne la successful mu génne la code bi. léegi yow
Okay.
code boobu ngay jox agent bi wala Yonna tela mu fay la.
Okay.
Wow.
Loolu moom is a very good service.
Yeah.
But my concern is jigéen ñi Marseille.
waaw
Boobu it has to do with technology.
yes.
So ñoom naka la ñoo def ba mun a use wallet bi. Because not all of them are educated, you know, that they can use the smartphone.
yeah.
So ñoom nu ñoo def at this point.
Mary ñoo gën a wise. they are
Okay.
very very wise ba pare gaa ñu ngi ko use ñu ngi kontaan foofu noonu leen lool.
Nii
because
la
soo
de.
seetee dafa easy pour nga withdraw. because ñoom seen password bi xam nañ ko already. te xam nañ because suñ demee pour suñ leen ubbilee wallet bi ba pare dañ laa won icon bu nekk lan la miin.
Okay.
du fa nekk because withdrawal bi dangaa gis ne dafa am icon ñu ngi binda withdrawal so gars yi dañ dee xam exactly bii moom withdrawal la.
Okay.
so dañ koy laal rek ñu xam ñaata la ñooy dugal.
Okay, so
ñu
you
laal
have trained
amount
people
bi
that will
yes
teach them
because
how to
am
do all
nañ
these
marketers yi around the country ñoo
Okay.
xamante ne foo dem yaa ngi gis gars ñu ngi wóor ñu ngi ubbil nit ñi te suñ la ubbilee dañ laa woon wallet bi exactly naka nga ko usé te soo ñëwee suñ banxaas yi tamit the same thing dañ laa woon naka ba pare suñ plateforme yi tamit dañ dee mun a def suñ short videos yi nii ñu post ko pour su fekkee yow first time user nga naka nga ko usé tamit loolu yëpp ñu ngi ko dee def si suñ plateforme yi ñu post ko te ñun si suñ boppa dañ dee nekk si marché yi si mbedda bi di won nit ñi naka la ñoo usé Yonna wallet bi waaw.
Alright,
So
that's
they
very
are
well.
use.
Foog naa man sax
Definitely.
dinaa dugg si wallet because I do nga jënd cash power bi and stuff.
I think balaa ñoo génn sax di nga war a mun a download Yonna wallet bi di nga gis convenience bi comme noo ko use tamit.
Nice.
Waaw, it's very convenient.
Sukay will tell us more about the wallet in the English language. So those we know we have foreigners in the country that most of them don't speak Wolof, and the wallet also is not limited to only Gambians. So Sukay, tell us more about the Yonna wallet.
All right, thank you very much, Jacqueline. Like, as my colleague just mentioned earlier, Yonna is a group that comprises of different business units. And the wallet is the fifth one that the group venture into, which was created in August 2023. Wallet is the digital mobile, wallet, like it's a digital mobile wallet where you will be able to save your money digitally. So the thing that, like what you can do to have the wallet is you can just go to your app store if you're using an iPhone and download the wallet and create an account if you're a first-time user, or you go to login and do your, if you have an account, you just go to login and put in your ID and your password. So if you're using an Android phone, you just go straight to your Google Play and download the wallet, and also do, as I mentioned earlier on, you just go to create password if you're a first-time user, or you go to login if you have an account already. So Yonna wallet is very convenient, and it's just here to help the people to see themselves in the digital world, because the world has moved to a digital platform. So that's why Yonna came up with this, and they say, like, why not we come up with the wallet and make sure that it is very convenient, because when you look at the wallet, it's it's one of the most convenient wallet in the Gambia, and again it has the lowest fee, which is only charged on the sending part, where you can send to 3 different platforms, that is send to wallet, send to bank. Like, you can send your money from your wallet to any of the banks in the Gambia, and again you can also send from money, so from the wallet to a wallet. That is, if somebody has a wallet, you want to send them money to their wallet, you use the wallet platform, wallet to wallet platform. Or if you want to transform the money in the digital wallet to a cash, you just send to cash. That is what it does. And we also have different platform in the dashboard. We have withdrawal, where you don't pay anything, like you just withdraw. And the wallet is very secure, because at the end of every transaction, you just have to make sure that you put in your password to make your transaction complete. Like, let's say you can leave your mobile open and just leave your wallet like that, and somebody just came and say, wow, let me just have access to your wallet. At the end of the transaction, they cannot do it, because they have to put in your password. And you know, if somebody doesn't have your password, they cannot access your wallet. So it's very secure, because we know that security is #1 paramount when somebody trusted you with their money. So that's why Yonna wallet came with that security aspect. It's very, very secure. People shouldn't fear, because sometimes you might have conversations with people and they say, wallet came on. Because some of them, they will tell you stories that they encounter with using other wallets, where you might be called to ask for a code that they send to you trying to access your wallet, or they can even access your wallet. For instance, you give them that code, they can do. But the wallet, we don't have any encounter for those aspects, because we are very secure. So let them not worry about using wallet, because they can come to the Yonna wallet, which they will be guarantee 100% security, because their wallet is very, very secure, and they will not regret using that wallet.
Okay, so apart from sending money from my wallet, can I buy credit? Can I buy cash power? What are some of the utilities that I can do with my wallet?
Yes, you can buy all those things, and you can also, the cash power one, that one is for free. If you buy cash power with the wallet, you have the same unit as if you are buying from Nawek, the same thing. So then let them just come and enjoy the wallet. And the sending part also, you can send to 5 different countries in Africa. You can send to Senegal, you can send to Mali, to Guinea, to Sierra Leone, and to Nigeria. So you don't need to go to the agent. As far as you have money in your wallet, you just have to sit down at your comfort zone and send to any of those countries that I mentioned, or within the Gambia. So you don't need to go to the agent as far as you have your wallet, and it is having fun. Let me make it clear, because you don't just have to send money when you don't have money. So if you have the money in the wallet, you can just sit at your comfort zone and send to any of those countries that I mentioned. So which is very easy and convenient, and it's user friendly.
Yeah. So we've talked about the wallet, the forex, Islamic, and insurance. What's next? The agri?
The enterprise.
The enterprise and the agri.
Agric business.
So we'll move to enterprise or agri? Which one do you
think?
Okay,
Yeah.
so Fatu?
This one is Yonna.
She's Yonna. I see. So, okay, go ahead.
yes ba wàllum enterprise bi comme nu ma la ko waxee bu ma doon def introduction bi because wax naa la comme enterprise bi suñu lu ñooy yëngu suñu lu ñooy yëngu daal moo nekk comme like foodstuffs moo nekk maalo diw canned drink sukur soble pompiteer vermicelle comme lekka yoo xamante ne daal nit ñi dañ ko di far di bugg di lekka si Gambia bi waaye su ma waxee comme ça dundin luñ nekk di indi nekkul tamit comme niim rek la am comme léegi ay maalo niim high quality loolu lañ dee indil Gambian si because soo seetee ñun luñ dee indi fii nii si réew mi dañ dee seet ne ñun léegi am nañ best quality bi ñu doog a koo indi currently suñ customer yoo xamante ne ñu ñoo seetaan ñun dinañ understand exactly fan la maalo bi taxaw because suñ maalo bi léegi dafaa ñëw si country bi balaa ngaa realize rek ñu ne la ne ñu ngi xaar beneen consignment bi pour mu ñëw because of nu mu dee trend bi nu mu nekk di demee si Gambia bi fii nii ñu ngi wax suñ customer yi tamit comme ça ñoo xamante ne startanguñ pour use suñ enterprise products yi enterprise product bi benn maalo bi amul benn taana maalo bi dafa set ba pare dafa neex ba pare high quality rice la ñaari varieties la am nañ Yonna American rice bi am nañ Yonna Pakistan rice bi so ñaari product yi lañ indi so saako yi da ngaa gis ne yëpp dañ ko brand as Yonna rice nuruwut ak benn saako si biir Gambia bi fii nii te diw bi tamit the same thing am nañ vegetable oil am nañ sunflower oil am nañ soya bean oil so da ngaa gis ne vegetable oil bi boobu diw la boo xamante ne saa yoo ko xoolee rek diw bi mu ngi set du dee nelaw diw boobu noonu leen ñëpp ñu ngi ko mën a use ba pare sunflower oil bi tamit boobu moom soo ko xoolee rek parce que bari bu ngay dañ fogoon ne sax ndox la for the first time waaw dañ fogoon ne ndox la because of diwlin bi nu mu setee su fekkee ne yow beneen diwlin bi ñaari kopp nga dee tooga advice naa la sunflower bi toogal benn kopp rek because dama ko dee tooga te xam naa quality bi tamit nu mu mel peut-être zéro cholesterol la amul benn faat boo xamante ne di nga ko lekk nga ne maa ngi feel faat si biir diw bi suñ diw bi amul boobu noonu leen canned drink bi tamit the same thing am nañ boo xamante ne am na gaz mooy suñ lito bi am na boo xamante ne boobu canned juice la moo nekk suñ tropics bi tropics bi nag dafa am ñaari type am nañ 330 ml bi ñu am 240 ml bi moo nekk bu ndaw bi boobu dafa am ay fruit si biir waaye 330 ml boobu amul benn fruit si biir boobu lañ am si canned drink bi sukur bi tamit mu ngi fii mu ngi sew nekku sukur bu dija boobu nga xamante ne dangaa sukur ba soona du mun a saf ñun tuuti sukur rek ngay def rek fekka yëpp saf na so suñ enterprise bi mu ngi yëngu si wàllum dund bi ba pare suñ price bi doo ko mun a compare ak benn price si biir Gambia bi because dañooy make so because Yonna dafa jug pour mu dimbale Gambian si soo waxee dangaa dimbale nañ wax daal ñu ngi dimbale suñ boppa because société générale ñu nekk di liggéey Yonna ñun ñëpp Gambians leen at the end of the day lu ñooy jëfandikoo foofu noonu leen si biir kër bi lañ koo delloowaat ñun tam dañ am ay famille yoo xamante ne suñu lañ nekk di njëriñoo so dangaa gis ne kon suñ bopp lañ nekk di defaral luñ def suñ waxee Gambia ñun suñ boppa Gambians leen so dañ ne Gambia entirely Yonna groupe daal dafa jug pour Gambia bi soo enterprise bi luñ nekk di jaay rek ñu ngi koo jaay at a very cheap price boo xamante ne soo fa ñëwee rek doo mun a soona pour nga jënd suñ commodities yi nga yóbbu ko si kër bi yow tam nga enjoy ak sa family comme yeneen family ñoo xamante ne tam ñoom tam ñu ngi enjoy.
ok léegi si wàllum enterprise bi let's say maa ngi ñëw am xew maa ngi soxla diwlin maa ngi soxla maalo.
waaw
naka lay def pour mun a jot si bagage yi ngeen nekk di jaay noonu.
fu mu nekk nii suñ main branch bi pour enterprise bi mu ngi Tipa Garage opposite mall bi ñu ngi am beneen tamit mu ngi Tabokoto balaa traffic light bi ñu ngi am Brikama opposite Joko so seen main branches yi foofu lañ nekk waaye suñ Yonna xama forex bureau office yi ñoom tam ñu ngi faa wàccee Yonna enterprise bagage yi comme nu ma la ko waxee dañ ñëw pour noppal nit ñi yaa ngi receive xaalis te at the end of the day dangaa dem jënd maalo wala diw so yaa ngi taxaw like suñ Sukuta branch mun ngaa receive xaalis nga jënd maalo nga jënd diw dugal ko sa moto wala nga ut pus rek nga eb ko foofu nga dem so jarul nga dem ba Tipa Garage pour jënd maalo bi soo moo tax léegi ñu ngi def comme ça like suñ forex bureau branches ñoo xam ne space mu ngi fa dañ fa dee wàccee maalo bi ak diw bi ak sukur bi yoo xamante ne gars yi dañ ko dee teel a soxla dañ ko dee wàccee si banxaas yooyu noonu nga xam ne you as a customer soo recevé sa xaalis rek mun ngaa jënd produit yi nga yóbbu ko sa kër waaw.
So can you disclose the prices of these commodities?
No problem.
Yes.
Because for the rice, the Pakistani rice, we are selling it 50 kg. We go jaay like $2,250.
Okay.
waaw currently loolu lañ ko nekk di jaayee bu American bi Yonna American rice bi mu ngi ko jaayee $2,150 50 kg bi so 25 kg bi moo nekk 1,150 loolu lañ ko nekk di jaayee waaw.
You can use the wallet to buy like all those products that she mentioned. So loolu tam daf ko yombal torop. Because niki léegi-léegi dang dee am loo xam ne danga comme like you will be have like you want to buy a lot of stocks. Let's say pour nga move ak that xaalis dafa lifin dafa seafood. So mun nga ko just deposit sa wallet bi then nga dem jënd. So you use sa wallet bi nga jënd. There's a special discount for you. So which is also rangal ba tam neexatina. Use sa wallet bi nga jënd. Nga am sa kaaraanga pare nga am sa discount so loolu dafa neex torop so maa ngi ñaax nit yi daal nañ start di use wallet because jamono bi dafa changé so su changé da nga changé ànda moom pour nga ànda jamono sorry ni wa
Okay, we move to the agri business.
Yes, thank you very much. Si agri business bi moom boobu ay tracteur la. Tracteur yoo xamante ne comme ça like pour béykat yi la. Because soo seetee agri business bi boobu this year lañ ko door. 2024 bi béy fu mu nekk nii waaw pharmacie yu nekk di déglu fu mu nekk nii am nañ tracteur yoo xamante ne mu ngi si suñu warehouse bi currently because dañ indi woon first batch mu jeex ñu indi second batch mu jeex léegi suñ third batch moo fa nekk so third batch bi léegi yu fa available sa dea comme seen horsepower yi 60 moo fa nekk yeneen horsepower yi jeex na waaye comme horsepower yu ñu dee indi moo nekk 75 HP ak 60 HP ak 110 ak 120 yooyu leen di indi danga am 2 wheel nga am 4 wheel because pharmacie ñoom xam nañ exactly si suuf buñ nekk di liggéey ban horsepower moo am doole pour gars yi use ko foofu noonu leen ba pare yooyu yëpp dañ am ay tools yoo xamante ne comme moo nekk bay tools yi nii comme harrow yi nii disc harrow bi ak disc plow bi nii yooyu yëpp ñu ngi fa ak trailer bi boobu tam mu ngi fa so waaye you as a farmer dafa depend si yow ban horsepower nga need su fekkee like 60 horsepower nga need 2 wheel la mu ngi available ba pare ñu ngi am trailer ñu ngi am disc harrow ñu ngi am disc plow yooyu yëpp ñu ngi ko am si warehouse bi waaye su fekkee yow tam am nga requirement comme ça da nga am sa spécial tracteur boo xamante ne boobu nga bëgg a order soo ñu contacter rek dañ la dee mun a order waaye dañ la dee wax duration bi tamit kañ la moo agsi fii nii because nekkul ne ñun tamit fii lañ ko dee liggéeyee dañ am ay partners yoo xamante ne ñooñu leen nekk di liggéey mooy Sonalika so da ngaa gis ne suñ tracteur yi da ngaa gis foofu noonu leen Sonalika moo fa nekk ñoom ñoo nekk suñ partners yi waaye dafa nekk tracteur boo xam ne dañ am doole torop because right now ñu ko nekk di use ñoom mun nañ koo attest because ñoom use nañ ko jël nañ pictures ci seen farm laa ni yoo xamante ne loolu lañ nekk di béyee foofu noonu ne so yow mi nekk béykat bi fu mu nekk nii suñ agri business bi nekkuñ di leble tracteur yi because ñeneen dañ nekk di call di laajte da leble la pour jaay la waaw ñu ngi ko nekk di jaay waaye su fekkee yow farmer boo xamante ne da nga niw doole amuloo xaalis bi cash pour nga jënd ñëpp xam nañ ne tracteur seer na waaye ñun duñ leen indi loo xamante ne duñ ko mun a afford wala duñ ko mun a jënda soo yow da ngaa nekk nit koo xamante ne soo nekkee si Yonna groupe bi rek di nga mun a am tracteur bi fekk sa xaalis bi sax mutut njëgi tracteur bi noo ko amee ni nga def mooy dangaa am sa Yonna Islamic microfinance account soo paree nga ñëw si agri business department nga jël invoice yaa xam ban tracteur nga bëgga 75 HP la ak ba pare harrow yi nga bëgga yëpp ñu calculator la jox la sa invoice suñ la joxee sa invoice sa next step bi lu moo nekk mooy dangaa dem si financing part bi because yow amuloo cash pour nga jënda ko si agri business soo amee cash daal suñ la joxee invoice da nga war a jënda waaye su fekkee amuloo cash bi dangaa jël invoice bi nga dem Yonna Islamic microfinance ñoom dinañ la defaral financing bi léegi financing part bi moom foog naa boobu Mr Camara dina si gën a wax because boobu noonu leen si fànnam Yonna Islamic microfinance la den soo fa aagee waxtaan yu nekk foofu ak requirement yi lu war a tax nga qualifié pour ñu jëndal la tracteur bi Mr Camara dina fa gën a mun a elaborate more on that one wow.
Comme I mentioned, Yonna Agribusiness Company Limited attended na proka senal mako Gambia. Not only tractors but farm implements anything me alan ko do kulal wala farmers ko sula wala proka do ko ke e ko la samana. Ba comme afanya men science and ka tractor la samana and tractor implements that is a tractor joran. Porque e wafi molma pour be san do ko nyama Gambia kono ja. Comme ka afanya men dron ika oda moto garage solje ba pour tracto garage o gamme jang niaja fana baka siya ba yuna yaw start la sa alhamdulillah so wala mula ela mamand la so nimme yalla koy kodo soto pour ka tracto sang wala ka tracto jorngol sang directly bita yona agribusiness company limited la ya kodo njoje tracto nyen sang ina te do ko but sometimes modol bi je me yalla koy baka kodo nyum mume so pour ka tracto nyen sang because mbiang la tracto sang kodo men na jawata da jawata damande so ni man kodo nyum mume so pour ka tracto nyen sang ay mam folo minde ko yona islamic microfinance be jen a try di account soto je ni account soto je sa yemina wolto wala be finance la pour ka tracto nyin sang ya wa ko nga fu jandi yamo ko wala minde ko nka kodo di mol ka mol finance la we don't give loan physical cash but nka mol finance la so finance ka tanya mol minde ko ni lafta pour ka yona islamic microfinance tracto nyin sang ye financial yende account soto follow with yona islamic microfinance that's the first requirement you must have an account with yona islamic microfinance first before we can finance with a tractor so when you have an account the second thing that we look for is you need to at least deposit 25% of the cost of the tractor. Wala mo ko level tractor ni level premier finance ala kemo ko no mwani lulu o kodo fo yo sama nan follow. We call it down payment or commitment fee. Bos level priya je ko ni tractor ni ditela ya feel ko tel tam tractor if na kodo do so tractor ni kono. Ya fam. So when you bring that 25% down payment, then what we will do is we are going to buy the tractor from Yonna Agribusiness Company Limited directly. Let's say the cost of the tractor is 2.5 million. We're going to buy it from them. We will give them $2.5 million. We have the tractor. Now this tractor that we have is in the name of Yonna Islamic Microfinance. Now you're going to pay the down. We're going to sell it to you with our profit because we are doing business. That's why some will ask, if Yonna Islamic Microfinance is operating in Islamic way, they are not charging interest. How are they making profit? That's the common question that people ask. We are doing trading. We are doing business. Islamic banks or Islamic financial institution, they do business. They don't give loans. Okay? So now we are buying this tractor and now we sell it to you. If you buy it at 2.5 million, we can sell it to 2.6 million. And 1 million will be a profit. Or 2.5 to 2.6. That's 100,000 will be a profit. So now we'll agree on how much is going to be our profit. We will sell it to you. And when you sell it right away, you can use your 25%. Now you use that as a down payment. Okay, so the balance is what you're going to pay over a period of time of, let's say, 2 years, if you would like. Okay, so we can pay. Or we have another product called ijara, because ijara thumal bay I call ITAP. How that one work is the same tractor you want, but you don't have money to buy it from Yonna Agribusiness Company Limited. You come to Yonna Islamic Microfinance, you're going to buy this tractor, but now we are going to lease it to you. We're going to rent it to you. Okay, you have the tractor, but the ownership belongs to us. All the documents will be in the name of Yonna Islamic Microfinance. Okay? Now we're going to lease it to you. So you go use it. So every month you are paying a rental fee. You set up 2 years. At the end of the second year, what we do is we say now, we've come to the end of the term, we are now going to sell this tractor to you, let's say at $100,000 or $50,000, even $100. But already we have collected the cost that we incur in buying the tractor and the profit that we wanted to get on the tractor. So now we sell the tractor to you and it becomes yours. We call it ITAP. ITAP means what? Leasing ends with ownership. Okay, or leasing ends with sales. We lease it to you first. You are using it, but name ownership will be for Yonna Islamic Microfinance. Over the time, over the period, we receiving the rental income from you. At the end of the period, now sell it to you at a token, a small amount of money. That is also another product we are using for this tractor financing. So that is how Yonna Islamic Microfinance and Yonna Agribusiness Company Limited is working. Yeah? That's where they complement each other's effort. But over time, we'll talk about why do we have all these companies under Yonna Group. I will tell you what is the connection. We don't just create these companies because we want to serve this and that. No, we've seen that there are needs of bringing each of these companies. And you can see they come at different stages. We have Yonna Enterprise Force, Yonna Forex Bureau came in, Yonna Islamic Finance, Yonna Islamic Insurance, Yonna Wallet, and also Yonna Agribusiness Company Limited. And they are all complementing each other's effort. So with the discussion, inshallah, we'll talk about some of those things.
Yeah, today is just an introduction.
Yeah.
What is to come in the next episodes.
Yeah, so talk about Yonna Islamic Fund also, where we are located. We are located in 13 locations across the country. Our head office is at Tibagare, okay, opposite the mall. We have a branch at Bruce Wheat Turntable. We have a branch at Costa Road. We also have a branch at Bambo. We have a branch at Talinding, Fabaka Jaras Junction. We have a branch at Tabokoto, that is around the roundabout there. We have a branch at Birikama, opposite Joko, and also opposite Birikama Area Council. We also have another branch at at Jarasoma. We have branch at Farafenye. We have branch at Birikama. We have it at Wasu. We have it at Basse. So
all these are strategic locations.
all these are strategic locations for Yonna Islamic Microfinance. But it doesn't stop there. Wherever Yonna Forex Bureau is also, Yonna Islamic Microfinance is there. And how this happens is this: if you have a Yonna wallet with you, means you can deposit your money directly into your Yonna Islamic Finance account, and you can also withdraw from your Yonna Islamic Finance account to your Yonna wallet, and you access it from any of the Yonna Foreign Exchange Bureau locations. So this, you see how they are complementing each other. So even the weekends or public holidays, when Yonna Islamic Finance is not operating, you can still access your fund from your account through Yonna Foreign Exchange Bureau.
That's what I like about this Yonna group. Like each and every product is linking to another, which is very, very amazing. We're talking about, before we wrap up, the agribusiness. Is it only the tractors that are available, or you have fertilizers or any other thing that the farmers may use?
Yeah, for now we didn't go into the fertilizers yet,
Okay.
but I think we will also get there. But it's only the tractors and their implements. Yes, that's what we are dealing with for now. Yes.
So with regards to fertilizers, Yonna Islamic Finance is dealing in fertilizers. Okay, yeah, across the country. If from any village who wants any fertilizer, you can contact any of our branches. We'll be selling fertilizer this year, inshallah. Okay, and again, if a group wants fertilizer but they don't have money now, we can give it in the form of financing. That's what we do. We've been doing it for 2 years now. Let's say a group in Birikama or in any of the villages, they want fertilizer, let's say 1,000 bags, okay? But they know that at the end of this rainy season or the cultivation season, they're going to have money. So we'll give it to them in a form of muraba, means buy and sell. We'll buy this fertilizer, sell it to them with our markup. They use it. At the end of the period, when they sell their produce, they pay us our money. It's to make life easy for everyone, like she said.
Okay, this is what time avails us. Thank you very much, Fatu, Sukai, the gentlemen. I'm forgetting your names. My apologies. Mr. Saad and Mr. Kamara. Thank you all very much for this hour at the Fatu Network. Until we come your way next time, viewers, I am Jacqueline Collier, and thank you for joining us.
Hello and welcome to this video. We will take you through a step-by-step process of how to download the Yonna Wallet app. So stay tuned and let's get started. Open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Yonna Wallet app. Tap on Install. Tap on Open once the download is completed. You have successfully downloaded the Yonna Wallet app. Thanks for watching this video. Join us on our next video on how to create an account on your Yonna Wallet app.